Hi, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. Hope everyone's doing well. We're in the gorgeous Marmaris and I'm taking a little wander up the promenade, and I just want to see the price points for a local beer, for maybe a steak, piece of fish, and give you guys a nice little idea of what you can expect and what your money will get you in the gorgeous Marmaris. Absolutely lovely day today. As you can see, sun is shining as always. So we got the Irish pub Marmaris here, showing the football later.
Hello.
Hello. How much is it for a large beer?
Large beer?
190. Not a bad price at all. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Cheers, thank you. There you go, it's 190 lira for a large beer, and that's the Irish pub. We've got the Zamar restaurant and the bar. Let's have a little look. So, fish. So for salmon, 900 lira. For a steak fillet, 1,250. And have we got an alcohol price? Let's have a look. They do happy hour, 2 for 1. That's always good.
Hola.
Hello.
Gracias, señorita.
And then for, how much is it in here for, do you work at this one?
Yes, I'm working here. Yes,
How much is it for a large beer? I'm just doing a price point for my YouTubers.
How many you are?
I just want to know price for like a large beer, local beer.
Apes you want. The bottle one is 190 lira.
190 lira,
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
We are the new place.
When
Yeah.
did you open?
With this year.
This year, perfect.
Normally we have in İçmeler,
Yeah.
Verde Hotel. This one is Verde Beach Hotel.
Okay, we just stayed in
Zumba bar.
Ishmael.
New
Lovely.
place. We're gonna change something next year as well.
Yeah,
Normally the bar here.
yeah,
Next year we're gonna take here,
okay.
like the big screen over there. Karaoke and dance
So you can have like a stage and
Party,
everything.
yeah.
Perfect, and have the bar along here.
We are the new place. We like to change. We like to
Yes.
change everything.
Okay, well if you're coming to Marmaris, make sure you check this out. So you got one in Ishmael and one here.
Anytime, you're more than welcome.
Thank you very
I'll give
much.
you cocaine when you come.
Perfect. Thank you so
My name
much.
is Pedro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
You too. Bye bye. There we go. So that's a new one here, and they've also got one in Ishmael. So make sure you check that out. Not badly priced either. So again, you got all the like beach chairs and everything, which is really good. It's a nice big hotel there. Gonna walk fast along this one because of the music and obviously with the YouTube, the copyright and everything. So I want to make sure I can get this out without having any silence. So I do beg your pardon, just gonna speed across this way. Right, so we've got a nice little hotel apartment complex here. Looks more like apartments than a hotel, I should say. And then we got your excursion, jet ski, flyboard, parasailing stand. These are all over. So if you are wanting to do ocean, sea activities, these are dotted like literally within a minute walk of each other. So wherever you're staying, you'll be able to find one. This just leads off to the main street. We're going to stick to the promenade though, because we're going to go along. We want to do the prices. We want to keep you all up to date on where your money will go. And it doesn't matter if you've got loads of money or if you've got no money. It's always good to know what to expect when you come away, which is why we do these videos. It's informative regardless of what your budget is. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you are, don't forget to like. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do, because that doesn't cost a thing. Right, so we've got Volo Beach. Hello.
Are you alright, love?
I'm okay, thank you. Just doing a price point for my YouTube channel. How much is it for a large beer?
200 lira.
200 lira. And do you do food?
Yes, of course. There's on snack lunch.
So it's more like a snack bar. Okay. So let's just say 7. So main course from 7, and then you do breakfast. So you got the English
£5.
breakfast, which is £5, not bad. And then you can do your side and bits.
Also here, special for £20 any steak.
Okay, there we go. Yeah, it is good. So any steak. And you got Abba.
Two Scottish girls coming tomorrow.
First
Nice.
Nice.
Time in Marmaris. They're gonna see.
So you got the exclusive.
Yeah.
There we go. So if you like ABBA, this is the place to come. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. There you go. So 2 girls from Scotland doing an ABBA tribute. If you're into ABBA, head down to Volo Beach and you can see that. You got the green nature, diamond, massive stage there. Let's just show you that. This must be part of the hotel. But really nice and big. Let's keep going. Oh, got a massive boat up there. That breeze is very welcome. Very, very welcome breeze. Again, all the sun loungers go straight down onto the beach. So if you're wondering how far it is, it's literally on the beach from sun lounger to water. So it's very similar to, if you've seen any of our previous videos, you've got some from Zante, they have the same sort of thing where you've got all the sun loungers and they go straight onto the ocean. If you are new to the channel, we've got loads of videos, so do check them out if you're interested in their sort of destinations. We've gone to Spain, to Greece, obviously we've got Turkey, we've got Marmaris from back in May, current ones for now. We split the time for Ishmael and Marmaris. So yeah, we've got a bit of everything on there and loads more to come. So keep yourself subscribed, ring that bell, really, really does help the content and it means that you don't miss out. And if there's anything that you want us to sort of do, just comment and we can try and include it on our next breakaway. So let's have a look at this one. So we are sticking to the price point. Oh, there we go. So we've got gluten-free and vegan foods. That's really good because me and Crack don't eat meat at the moment. Steak. So fillet steak, 1,150. Seafood. So we're doing sort of salmon. So salmon and shrimp, 1,050. Not bad. Not bad at all. And like I said, that one does gluten-free and vegan, which if you're not eating meat, it's nice to know there's places to go, which is really good. Hello. So you got Hollywood. What's the price of a beer?
Amazon.
Hello. Hello. How much is it? I'm good, thank you. For if I just wanted to get a large beer, how much would that be?
200 lira.
200 lira.
Yeah.
Perfect. And do you just do like snack stuff?
Yes, just lunch menu.
Yeah. Perfect.
Hello. Hollywood, Hollywood.
Hello.
All night, best night. We
Yeah.
are the best, fuck the rest.
Ah, there we go. Brilliant
Guys.
slogan.
Do you know it's tonight 9 o'clock drag show? So funny boy. Every
Ah,
people see soon coming Hollywood bar, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
Every
you.
contest
All night.
2 for 1.
All night, best party.
and this is Dance Bar Fun Pub. Thank you very, very much, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. It'll be on our YouTube. It's Wagwan Tours.
Show me.
So YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube. And then it's W.
Yes,
So-
Yes.
Wagwan.
Abi bizim patron oldu.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me.
Thank
You're
you.
gonna have a very nice dance. Come on. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank
See you guys later.
you.
Bye. So there you go, guys. If you want to see a drag act, they've got that one. And again, that was the lunch menu. And the beer was 200 lira, I believe they said. So again, sort of average price, not bad. That's what, £4? So we've come to a little bit of a dry area. It looks like they're building something behind here. And then you've got like a little bit more of like a quieter part of the beach. So if you want to bring your towel, your chair, and you don't want to sit on these sort of sun lounges like the bars and the restaurants provide you, there is little options, which is good. Again, really calm. A little bit of like a haze in the background today. Still really warm. It's about 36, 37 at the moment. Taxi boat. I don't know if I've spoken about this before, but you can get a taxi to Ishmael, all the different areas. Taxi boat just from there. Whew. It's a really nice breeze today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, everyone. It really, really does help the content. Cannot tell you how much it really helps support us. If you are enjoying the videos, it really does mean a lot if you can just press the subscribe. It really doesn't cost you a thing, and it just means that you get to see our content and you don't miss any. And if you really don't want to miss any, ring that bell as well. Right, I'm going to end that one here because we're coming to a little bit of a dry area, but hopefully you've got a rough idea of what you can expect if you come to Marmaris, the main promenade, prices for steak, fish and the pint. See you guys on the next one.